to our channel. What we can fix?
I'm gonna fix the lawnmower.
We're gonna fix a lawnmower. So it's called a lawnmower.
Yeah, it's
So
lawnmower.
this is the pull and start.
Yeah.
So when you pull it hard,
To start, run the
so it will run some fuel.
fuel.
So this is the pull and starter.
Yeah.
And-
Okay.
So this is a wheel.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
So-
your turn.
Thank you, son. Hi everyone, welcome back to a small engine tutorial. Today we have this very nice Victa Pro professional lawnmower. It's
I
think
know
it was built
lawnmower.
in
Dad, I know
1974, or
lawnmower.
maybe someone really
Dad,
knows about this
Daddy, I
history
know.
about this mower.
No, I know lawnmower.
Yeah.
So wait, do you know lawnmower?
Yes, it's a Victa 550 Pro
Yeah.
lawnmower. And it's currently have a missing
Dad, what happened
some of
there?
the parts on the Carby.
Dad, what happened there?
Yeah, it's just a fuel tank. And
Dad, I don't have.
yeah, fuel tank. And today we just want to just roughly fix this one, quickly fix this one, because we
Wait,
need to
it's
do
too
some
cold.
cutting or doing
This is
lawn mowing,
cold.
right, or grass cutting. So
Dad, this is really cool.
yeah, today we just want to quickly
This
see,
one is bigger.
but we just want to quickly see if this mower really fires up.
Yeah.
So what we can do is to inject the carpet cleaner through the jet. It's right there. Okay, and we'll see if this one fires up.
Really?
Okay, just place it on. Okay.
Wait, I want to make
Yeah.
it like that.
Okay, just stay put and don't be afraid. Okay.
Wait, no.
Yeah, just
Wait,
just.
wait, no.
Now
Like that.
Okay. Wow, perfect. Oh, it's working.
It's working now.
Yeah. So that's perfect. Thank you, son. And
You're welcome, Dad.
now we
Dad,
now we
you're
have to.
welcome.
Yeah, I think you're welcome. Okay, so we'll install the new parts and we
Now,
have.
it have noise.
So what we have here is we
Dad,
have this
Dad, it
oil.
have noise.
Yeah. So this is the float.
This
Just
is
hold the float.
this
we
is
use the
the
old float.
floated toy
We use a
boat.
new O-ring.
This is the boat.
We just use a new power
Dad,
cap.
is this a boat?
Yeah, it's a float. It's not a boat.
It's
so
a
we do power
float.
cap.
It's a floated water.
So we also use this metal needle. So
Ooh, I know the meter
yeah,
you.
that lost it. Hold it. Put it
I
back.
hold it.
Yeah, put it back.
Okay.
This is it's very small.
Oh,
So we use the Vita tip metal needle, the new primer cap, O-ring,
Yeah.
and a new jet.
yeah.
So originally the 550 Pro has 4 rings.
Yeah.
So the four rings, the closest one we can
Now-
get, because we don't have the 4 rings, the
Dad,
closest one we can get
what
is
is
the 2
this?
rings. So the 2
No,
rings
what
are
I said.
yeah, there's a fuel tank. So the
Oh,
2 rings has
This is the field
flow
tank.
rate of
What is
39 to 40 ml per minute.
Okay.
The 4 rings has a flow rate of 40 to 42 ml per minute, and this is the closest we can get. The plain one has 45 to 47 ml per minute. The touring has 43 to 45 ml per minute. So we'll see how this one goes. So we'll install this one. Okay. Okay. So we have these small parts here. We just need to
Now, what
install
is
this.
this?
That's for taking off the screw for bolt.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So first of all is we need to a little bit clean the chamber.
Dad, you forgot right there.
Yeah, just clean it.
Dad, I want to clean it.
And using the compressed air, just
So I
don't look on the mist, because it will hit your eyes. Don't look it. Okay. So you have to place the O-ring into the don't knock. Place the O-ring into the the primer cap. Okay, and we just use the WD-40 lubricant or you can use oil.
Now, why is that?
Just a lubricant, just oil. Just oil the O-ring around it.
Dad, how did I do that? Dad, does it have bubble? Does it have bubble?
Okay, so we'll get the metal needle.
With the needle? Yeah. You should go. Dad, Dad, don't put this one over there.
Yeah, don't put it there.
Yeah, it will broke.
Yeah.
All the thingies.
Okay.
So
we have
this
this,
like thingies. Dad,
we
I
have
want
this metal needle here.
this one. Like this.
We have the metal needle.
Okay?
Just
With the needle.
place the metal needle into the seat.
Dad, how you do that?
Yeah, and then place the float
Floating
Yeah.
boat?
to the metal needle.
Say what? Dad,
And
can
just,
say
insert this
what?
one.
Dad,
Just make
can
sure
say,
that
say
we have this
what? Say,
on horizontal position.
say what? What?
And
What?
then
What?
screw the two rings
Where's Mom?
outside.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, he's not.
Okay,
Even.
can I borrow?
Okay.
Okay, just screw it and make sure that it will screw square into the so it won't cross thread.
Okay. Dad, don't lasso again.
Did
Dad,
Make sure
don't.
that this one is
Dad, I don't want to
in
go over
horizontal
there.
position.
Oh, it's so hard. It's so hot. Oh, there's no space.
And don't tie it too hard and to prevent damage to the plastic thread underneath. Just enough to tie this one in. And
So
we have
is it
this-
hard to? No, I got
Yeah, yeah. Just
it.
place
No,
this
I
one.
do it.
Okay. Just insert the one.
Wait.
Okay. So that's good. Okay, now it's all good. So we can start the engine. We have to take this one out. Just prevent the blade from hitting the wood.
Blade?
Yeah, and we just quickly want to show them what's underneath. Okay,
What's in it?
so
What's underneath?
it has two blades underneath. Okay, anyway, we'll start the engine.
Yeah? Let's start it.
Okay, it's put in a
Why not?
place in the start. See the start, the word start there, just right there.
I mean here.
Okay, just right there.
There?
Okay, first is the prime.
Fine.
Make sure that this one is on position. The fuel.
Wait, I want to do it.
Yeah, that's on already on. Okay,
Guys.
thank you. Okay, just prime 3 times to 5 times.
Huh?
2, 3.
Why, guys?
Just go in the front.
No, I want to do it.
Go in the front. Just prime.
No, I have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay, that's it. That's it. That's
7,
it. Thank you.
8, 9, 10.
Okay. Okay. Okay, and now just stay put. Stay put, and then we'll start the engine. Okay, don't be afraid.
Okay? Wait.
Okay, put in the halfway in ground position. Just like that.
One. Let's put it like that.
Okay. And then put it around.
No, like that. No, I said not like that. Like this.
Don't worry, Daddy see. Anyway, thanks a lot, and then we'll do the mowing now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy watching our video, we'll make more videos in the future, right, son? Okay, we'll make more videos in the future, and please leave a comment and what you think. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe over there.
Yep.
And click the bell over there.
Yeah, thank you.